What's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going to the inside
and
of the
collabing
suburb
with me.
and collabing with
Hey,
JakyJ25.
Subscribe to my channel.
We're going to be seeing the inside of the Cybertruck. Right.
Let's get it. You know, I've never been inside a Cybertruck in my whole entire life.
But flip the camera around. Bro, come
Bro, let me.
on. Bro, move.
Hey.
Open the door. Samantha.
I can't open it. I'm tapping the thing.
Yo, can you go?
Yeah, you're
this
not-
is our car. Can you go?
My car.
We paid $75,000.
Why are you in shotgun, little girl? Why are you in shotgun, little girl? Are you older than her?
Careful. Can you get out of my car?
Yeah, I know how to open it.
Great.
Show them. Give me the key. No, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. It's just pretty nice.
Get out. Guys, my car. Actually,
Okay.
people. This is so annoying.
No. What's this?
I'm starting.
Yo, Kayla, I got that on recording. That's weird.
No, I'm trying to make it far because look.
What are you
Can
doing?
you, like,